This kid has to be one of the worst day traders. Ross the Lost wannabes I've ever seen. 80,000 shares traded, and he loses money.
Oh my god.
How long are you going to keep hiding the fact that you are in a sim account? At this rate, you will be at McDonald's flipping burgers. Day trading is not for you. Quit now whilst you are ahead. Scalping this many times in a day, you don't stand a chance. Relentless loser. 500,000 shares of volume traded only for 20 bucks. If you don't stop trading, you will lose your mind. If I had a penny for each of your red days, I would be rich. RT is such a terrible trader. I know his type. He won't make it far. Looks like it's back to Amazon for this guy. He claims he is going back to the 9-to-5 grind, but we know he never left. Sim. Dropping out of school was your biggest mistake. You will lose all your money just like I did. The market is rigged. How can this guy even call himself a trader? Biggest joke I've seen. You want to be Ross so bad. The fact that you are fooling everyone else is funny, but I see through you. Sim trader. You will never be able to make money. RT, you are the worst trader I've ever seen. He buys and then sells within the same second, then complains when he loses money. Leave Thinkorswim now. You can't make money on that platform. You are another one of Ross's sheep. He runs from commission-based brokers like Lightspeed because he knows he will not survive. I'm pulling out my hair watching. This kid is worse than Squirrel Trader. Relentless, stop now or you will blow up your account. I know what I am telling you. Only 1 out of 10 traders make it and your strategy is terrible. You are red again whilst I'm making bank on options. When will he learn? This is hard to watch. Your first red month of many. I told you guys, he's not going to make it far. You should change your name to Relentless Trash. That's all I see on this channel. I could trade better than you blindfolded. He cries about losing, and all he is doing is trading manipulated stocks. Luck. You trade fake money. RT is a horrible trader. He is a Ross wannabe. He buys high and tries to sell higher for a penny or two. If you post in his YouTube live channel with tips, you get blocked. I will stick with my 1K a day profits from futures and watch RT complain about Thinkorswim execution speed. Kids like this don't last long. Scalping for a few pennies is not a good idea. I tried to tell RT to hold longer than a half a second, but he never listens. 70K shares traded for a very tiny amount is not worth the time and effort. I feel bad for kids who can't afford Ross classes and follow RT. People following him will lose big time. RT still lives with his family and does not even pay the internet bill. He is living a fake reality. RT definitely would not be profitable in CMEG. he's not experienced enough to use the scalping strategy. Trades of just 3 to 5 cent moves shows his inexperience. He just needs more experience to settle in on his strategy and make less trades. All of his trades are market, which makes him lose an awful lot of profit on his trades. I love CMAG and have no issue with scalping because I use hotkeys to get in and out of the trades super fast. With the correct momentum stock and setup, targets are 10 to 20 cents. 10 to 20 cent moves, which allows for just an hour or so of trading for the day. I banked 1,200 today, and the day before, and the day before that. Check out my posts calling you out. Maybe unblock everyone in your YouTube chat room and post that you are sorry and I might help out. RT, yet another green day for me, but you and your mods block successful traders in your YouTube chat room. This kid has to be one of the worst day traders, Ross the Lost wannabes I've ever seen. 80,000 shares traded and he loses money. Oh kid, my God. This is how not to trade. If you try to post in his live stream how to make money, you will get blocked ASAP. The haters are going to hate. What can we say? Ladies and gentlemen, it's been Relentless Trader. Hit that thumbs up. I would like to say that 99% of the comments on this channel are all love. But you know, you'll have a few people out there who, whether they're profitable or not, they don't know how to give good constructive criticism. But you know, one thing that I've learned from the people who are, you know, genuine, the people who are, you know, working, you know, relentlessly to become profitable and are looking to find a way, and from the people who are profitable, who are making good gains, whenever I talk to these people and they give me advice, suggestions, feedbacks, and they tell me about, you know, any particular comment or concern, you know, they're always doing it in a way that makes sense, that comes off smooth. You know, the way how some of these people talk, you already know that they're miserable and that they're not profitable. It's just so obvious. You know, you will lose all your money just like I did. You know, the way how they will speak. So, you know, it's for me just kind of funny. You know, I don't take it too seriously. If anything, it motivates me to continue to be better and to continue to prove people wrong, because, you know, here at Relentless Trading, my only goal is to progress and be better. I don't want to be the same trader that I was yesterday. I want to keep progressing and keep advancing and keep improving. And so I will continue to do that. There's nothing stopping me from doing that right now. So I'll continue to be confident. I'll continue to trade smart. I'll continue to trade setups. I'll continue to dominate. Ladies and gentlemen, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you're a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. And of course, check out those links down below. It's been RT, and I am, of course, signing out.